In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to change or update your name in your Gmail or Google account. And apart from that, I'm also going to show you how to change or update your ID on your Google account if it is available in your region. So in order for you to update your name in your Gmail or Google account, get hold of an Android phone or maybe a PC, whatever, and get to Google Chrome. Just get to google.com and log in with your email address and click on your profile icon, click on manage your Google account and get to this page out here. Click on personal info. You get directed to this page. Click on your name. Click on your name again. You may just be asked to re-log in like this to verify your identity. So select your country, put in your phone number and get a verification code. Put in the 6-digit verification code out here that you get on the number and click on next. Once you do that, you're going to get an option to update your first and last name on your account. So you could update your first and last name and then click on save. And within a couple of minutes or few hours, it is going to get updated for you. But you can only do this like 3 times in a period of 90 days. Now, in order for you to update your Gmail ID, if it is available in your region for you, all you have to do is just log into your Google account, click on the profile icon, click on manage your Google account, and then you get onto this page. Under personal info, you scroll down and for your emails, you click on this. You get to this page and Google account email. So this is going to be your primary ID for your Google account. All right. If you see an option to edit this, it means the option is available for you. You could click on that edit button and go ahead and edit the ID for your Gmail account. So this feature has rolled out recently in December 2025. So it may not be available for everyone, but I'm very much sure this feature should be available for almost everybody using Gmail accounts very soon. Hope you got some value through my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.